In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a quote in Salesforce, whether you're working with standard Sales Cloud quotes or using the Salesforce CPQ managed package. Understanding how to efficiently remove a quote when needed can streamline your sales process and keep your data organized. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about deleting a quote if you are using the standard Sales Cloud. The initial step is navigating to the specific quote record that you wish to remove. To do this, you'll head over to the Quotes tab in your Salesforce interface. This tab is usually quite accessible from your main navigation bar. Once you're there, scan through your list of quotes and select the one that you want to delete. Once you're on the quote detail page, your next move is to find the Delete button. Depending on your Salesforce configuration, this button might not be immediately visible. In some cases, you might need to click on the drop-down menu labeled Actions to locate the Delete option. This ensures that you have access to all possible actions you can take on this record, including its deletion. After selecting Delete, you'll need to confirm your decision. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions. A confirmation prompt will usually appear, asking if you're sure that you want to permanently remove the quote. If you're absolutely certain, go ahead and confirm. Now let's talk about what happens once you've deleted the quote. Initially, the quote doesn't disappear entirely. Instead, it moves to the recycle bin. This feature is a safety net within Salesforce, allowing you to restore accidentally deleted quotes within a certain time frame, should the need arise. Additionally, if the quote was previously synced with an opportunity, you'll want to be aware that it will be automatically removed from the Opportunities Quotes Related list. This action ensures that your opportunity records remain clean and free of irrelevant quotes. Finally, it's essential to note that any associated items, such as quote PDFs, attachments, and notes that were linked to the deleted quote, might also be removed. This is something to keep in mind when considering the full scope of deletion's impact. It's always a good idea to double-check that no critical information will be lost when you proceed with deleting the quote. That's it. Those are the steps to effectively delete a quote in Salesforce. Hopefully, you feel more confident about managing your quotes and can proceed with keeping your Salesforce environment clean and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for all your Salesforce needs.